by molar mass.
Given mass is 16 gram. By molar mass is 256
250.
gram. So that means 1 by 16
1 by
moles. So number of moles is 1 by 16 moles. Now we have to calculate number of molecules. For that again number of moles is equal to given number of required number of particles
by Avogadro's number.
6.022 into 10 power 23.
6.022 into 10 to power 23. Number of mole is 1 by 16. This will go here multiplication into 6.022 into 10 to power 23. This is the required number of particles. Molecules. Actually, they have asked molecules, so there's many molecules. So 6.022 into divided by 16. That's the answer.
Ma'am, I did 1 by 256 number of molecules and I got 0.0625 moles
1
into
by 256. Why?
ma'am, because if 256 grams like 1 mole, so 16 gram of mole is 1 by 256.
How 1 by 256? 16 by 256. No.
Oh yes, ma'am.
Fifth question is very important. This is an NCERT question.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. I mean,
Yeah.
the fourth question shall be further converted.
Yes, you have to divide this. Divide this.
Okay.
Convert into decimals.
Okay, ma'am.
Now fifth question. Here this is important question. Mark it, highlight it, do anything. This is very important question. What they have asked, you have to calculate aluminium ions in these grams of aluminium oxide. Just like here calcium carbonate was there. How many atoms of oxygen are present in 300 grams of calcium carbonate, right? So here first we have to calculate in these many grams of aluminium oxide, how many aluminium oxide molecules are present, that we will calculate first. So first finding number of aluminium oxide molecules. So for that, this one, number of molecules we have to calculate, we have mass. So again, the given mass, we need to calculate the number of moles. So for that first, molecular mass. Molecular mass of aluminium oxide. First, what is the formula of aluminium oxide?
Al2O3.
It is Al2O3.
Molecular mass is 102 gram.
So 2 into 27. Aluminium are 2. So 2 into 27 plus 3 into oxygen mass is 16. So 54 plus 48. That is equal to 102 grams. So this is a molar mass. So number of moles is equal to given mass, that is 0.051 divided by 102. Multiply with 1000 into 1000. So that is 51 by 102 into 1000. 51 ones are 51 twos are. So that is 1 by 2000 moles. Keep this as it is. Don't convert into any decimals. Now number of moles is equal to required number of molecules.
Molar mass we got it as 102 grams, right?
Yeah. Required number of molecules divided by 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules. So number of molecules is 1 by 2000 into 6.022 or 2 into 1000. I will make it into 10 to power 23 is the required number of molecules. So how much is this? So with 2 we can divide 3.011
into 10 power 20.
into, this is 10 to the power 3. So it will go to the numerator as subtraction. So it will become 10 to the power 20 molecules of aluminium oxide are present. So these many molecules of aluminium oxide are present in 0.051 gram of aluminium oxide. Now in these many molecules, how many oxygen ions are present, that we have to calculate. So this is formed by combination of ions. So which ions are present here? 2 aluminium ions are present. Aluminium ion is written like this, 3 plus, because it is positive ion, and how much charge it carries? 3, because it has lost 3 electrons. And oxygen has gained 2 electrons, so 2 minus. And but how many? O3. That means 3 oxygen ions are present. Al2 means 2 aluminium ions, and O3 means 3 oxygen ions are present. So in one molecule, how many oxygen ions are present? In one molecule of aluminium oxide, how many oxygen ions are present?
3.011 into 10 power
3. How many oxygen ions in one molecule?
3.
3 ions of oxygen. Now these many molecules, in these many molecules, 3.011 into 10 to power 20 molecules of aluminium oxide, how many oxygen ions will be present? In one molecule, 3 ions are there. So in these many molecules, how many will be there?
3.011 into 10 to the power 20 into 3.
So 3 into 3.011 into 10 to power 20. That is again, sorry,
9.01.
Al2O3. Yeah. What they have asked, oxygen or aluminum they have asked?
Aluminium oxide.
No, in aluminum oxide, which ion they have
Aluminium.
asked? Aluminium.
Aluminium.
Ions. I was finding oxygen ion. So here, how many ions of aluminium are present?
2.
3. 2.
2.
Aluminium ions. How many aluminium ions are there?
2.
2.
2.
I didn't understand ma'am one step.
One single step also you didn't understand, right?
No, ma'am, one step I didn't understand only.
What?
Ma'am, here, ma'am, like we are doing 3.011 into 10 to the power 20 molecules of Al2O3, ma'am. After that, ma'am, what are we supposed to do? I did not understand.
You have to calculate in that one molecule is made up of how many? That one Al2O3 is a molecule, is combined by ions.
Yeah,
So how many ions are here? How many ions are combined? 2 Al and 3 oxygen.
yeah,
That is the reason it is Al2O3.
yeah,
This is a one molecule. In one
Yeah.
molecule, how many aluminiums are present?
2.
2. So in one
Yeah.
molecule, 2 ions of aluminium are present.
Yes.
Then in these many molecules, how many aluminium ion will be present?
2 into 3.011.
That's it. That
Yeah.
is what we have done.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in a before question. The fourth
First
one.
understand this and then go for that. Did you understood?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we had to solve till the 10th sum, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
This is the
sixth
fourth
one.
one. Fifth one, this one.
Ma'am,
Siddhant.
sixth one you told it as important one.
Fifth one. This is fifth
Fifth
one.
one.
This is,
Okay.
This is what
Sixth
I
one.
explained right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth
Sixth
one I will
you
explain.
already gave.
Wait, why you are going here, there, here? Just whatever going on, whatever I explaining first, that understood that part?
Yes, ma'am. I told sixth one you already gave here in the class itself.
Whoever has a doubt in fifth question, did you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down this.
Ma'am, could you scroll a bit more down?
Ma'am, is it a very like asked question in exams? This one.
Then why I have told it important?
Ma'am, in the ninth one also, can you do after the sixth one?
Ma'am, could you scroll down? Done, ma'am.
Which has more number of atoms? 100 grams of sodium or 100 gram of iron. So first we have to calculate number of atoms in 100 grams of sodium.
4.3.
So here number of moles is equal to
Given mass by
given
mole.
mass by atomic mass, that is 23
23.
moles. Then number of moles, required number of particles, required number of atoms by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Number of moles is 100 by 23 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms are present, right? So number of sodium atoms in 100 gram is this much. If you calculate in decimal,
26.13 into 10 power 23.
Yes, ma'am.
26.13 into 10 to the power
One
23
eight.
atom.
Ma'am, I got 1 8.
18 atoms. Now about iron. So number of moles is equal to 100 by 56 moles.
1.78.
Number of moles is equal to required number of atoms divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So number of moles is 100 by 56 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this value is
10.71 into 10 power 23.
10.753.
10.71 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of iron are present
Sulfur.
in number of
Atoms present in 100 grams of
iron
iron.
atoms present
10.753.
750 whatever it is 100 gram. This is equal to 10.7. So which one has more?
Sodium.
Sodium.
So sodium atoms are more than iron atoms. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do the ninth one?
Calculate the mass percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Mass percentage. That is percentage of mass of this carbon is present in glucose mass. So what is the molecular mass of glucose?
180.
Total mass of glucose. That is C6H12O6. 6 carbon, that is 12 into 6. Plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 16. So 72 plus 12 plus 96. What's the answer?
180.
180 U. Okay. Now how much is the carbon? Percentage of carbon.
6
Into
by
100.
180 into 100.
180 into 100.
This is 72. Carbon is 6 carbon atoms are present. So total mass of carbon is 72 divided by 180 into 100. So calculate this. 18 fours are 40%. Percentage of hydrogen. How much is the mass of hydrogen? 12 by 180 into 100. 2 nines are 2 6 3 no 6 threes are 6 twos are 20 by 3. 6.67%. And the percentage of oxygen is equal to 96 by 180 into 100. 6 threes are 6 sixteens are 160 by 3. 53.33%. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please wait for 2 minutes?
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please tell the answers for these 10 questions? All of them.
Give me 10 minutes. I will solve all and show you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
From which question should we do, ma'am?
20. Question going. Just a sec. So 20 onwards. Till
No, we
last
do from
class you have
19
done
till
18
18,
on
ma'am.
19
Till
onwards.
18. Till
Ma'am, I
18.
had done till 11. Can you show from 12?
11.
Ma'am, till
Last class
18
we
we
have
did.
done.
Till 18.
Ma'am, last class I wasn't there.
Okay, so I will send you this one, remaining questions.
Ma'am,
You start from
till
19.
18 we did.
Arey yaar, wait. I know you have done from 18. Start with 19 onwards.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see your screen, ma'am.
Log in again. Nineteenth onwards, in which cases the hydrogen atoms is more. So you have to calculate how many hydrogen atoms. So this is 2 moles of HCl. In 1 mole, how many particles are present? How many HCl particles will be present?
6.02 to 10 to the power 23.
6.2022. That is in 2 moles then?
It will be into 2.
Into 2. And in 1 molecule of HCl, how many hydrogen atoms are present? In 1 molecule of HCl, how many hydrogen atoms are present?
Is it 2?
2 are there. You have formula in front of you.
1.
Only 1.
Oh, yeah, right. Sorry.
HCl is a formula. The same thing as this aluminum oxide case. So 2 moles. 1 mole has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So in 2 moles they have told. So in 2 moles, how many?
12.044 into 10 to the power 23.
23 molecules. In 1 molecule, how many hydrogen atoms are there? In 1 molecule of HCl, 1 hydrogen atom.
1 hydrogen.
So in 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 molecules,
1 into 12.044 into 10 to the power 23.
atoms of hydrogen. Clear? Now similarly find out for NH3. 1 molecule of NH3, sorry, this one. 1 mole of NH3 has how many molecules?
Three.
3. Very good.
Oh, ma'am, 1 has only 1, ma'am. Like 1 has 1. So
1 mole of
hydrogen
NH3 has how many molecules?
6.022
6.022 into 10 power
10 power
23.
20.
Molecules. Now in one, so therefore in these many molecules are there. So in 1 molecule of NH3 has how many hydrogen atoms?
3.
3.
3 hydrogen atoms. In 1 molecule, 3. Now we have these many molecules of NH3. So in these many molecules, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of NH3 has how many atoms?
18.0.
3 into 6.022 into 10 to the
3
power
into
23.
6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That is equal to
18.066.
18.066 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen atoms.
18.066 into 10
Ma'am.
Which one has more?
Ma'am, the second one, ma'am, NH3.
NH3.
NH3 has more because first one has 12.044 and the second one has 18.066. So ammonia has more number of molecules, atoms, hydrogen atoms.
Ma'am, so 1 mole of ammonia has 6.022 into 10 to
Every substance's 1 mole has 6.022 in 10 to the power 23 molecules.
Okay, so then hydrogen are 3 atoms in
1
ammonia.
molecule. Yeah.
3 into that number.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is it okay if you don't write the question since you already sent the questions?
Yeah. But where you will find out at that time, you will tell me again. That is that worksheet. Send me again. I can't
No,
send you
ma'am, I have it saved, ma'am. Like
because
this
I will
one.
take the test of this worksheet
When?
whenever it is, whenever it will be. Yeah, this week you have a test of tissues.
Ma'am, this week
Ma'am,
we
we have
Ma'am,
already
this week
maths
have
we
it.
already
test.
have match test, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When?
Ma'am, sir
Sunday.
told for us.
Sir told
Sunday.
Yeah,
Sunday,
Sunday.
no?
for sir told for us that we have surface area and volume, cube and cuboid.
Only cube and
Subjective.
cube. Right? So Monday you will write the test.
Subjective.
So Monday you will write the test.
So tissue will be subjective or objective?
Subjective.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Monday you will write the test. Tissue subjective. Objective already you have written.
So Monday we'll have test.
Monday you will be having tests.
What time?
I will tell you.
And for this chapter.
Yeah. Not this one, tissue.
Okay.
Tissue chapter.
Ma'am, I'm again not able to see the screen, ma'am.
What I will do?
Ma'am, I will log in again, ma'am.
Obviously you will do that.
Should I leave?
Yeah.
Mm.
This Monday we have holiday, I guess, from school. Is the 20th answer 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 atoms?
Yes, right.
We've already done the 21st question, ma'am.
Do now.
Ma'am, oxygen gas, you have to take it as O2.
Ma'am, is the 22nd answer 0.5 moles?
We will solve all questions. And I will send you all the solutions of what. All the answers I will send you. Everyone complete the questions.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Yes.
Ma'am, from 24th already solved.
From 24th, everything solved.
Yes, ma'am. 25th, most of them you gave in the worksheets in the beginning and previously also we did. 26th, we just did it.
And 29 and 30 and 31 we have to do, ma'am.
Yeah, 29, 30 and 31, ma'am.
29 done.
Just
30th
now
and
we did.
31st.
Yes, ma'am. 29,
30,
30 and
31.
31st.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the, ma'am, have we written down the atomic mass of magnesium?
No, I'm not written. You have to remember.
Ma'am, okay.
24 units.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you just scroll up a bit?
Wait. Which one?
Thank you, ma'am. Done.
Harshi, which question you are doing? Harshi, which question you are doing?
The previous one.
Which previous one?
I'm just solving which you just solved. Once again, I didn't get the correct answer.
Ma'am,
Sunanda? Sunanda, which question you are solving?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the first question is 1.000 mole.
Yeah.
So it's 1 mole.
Yes.
Ma'am, second question, calculate grams in 3 moles of CO2 means mass only.
Mass.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the seventh question, C12H22O11, which compound is it?
Sugar.
Ma'am, how to do the seventh one, ma'am?
Avogadro's number of particles. So in 6.022 into 10 to the power 22, 23. How many what is the mass? How many moles are there? In 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, how many moles are there?
1.
So 1 mole is what is the mass?
6.022.
Mass.
Okay. Ma'am, is it 342 gram?
Yeah. What was the first question answer?
110 grams.
110. No, 111 grams.
I got 110 grams.
Even I got 1.
Round it off, it's 111.
I got 111.
111. 111.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one?
132.
132. Third one?
2 moles.
2 moles. Fourth?
4, 2,
Fourth one is 4,240 grams.
4240. Fifth one?
3.4 moles.
3.4 moles. Sixth one?
1.5 moles.
1.5. Next?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
342
still
gram.
doing, ma'am.
342 grams.
Ma'am, the fourth one, ma'am, what's the answer, ma'am? Fourth one.
4240.
Ma'am, sorry, I got 111 gram for the first one. Just correct. What was for the second one?
132.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you share the answers in the group?
Right?
Ma'am, can you just send the picture of all the answers before we wrote all the 30 questions?
The 10 questions that you gave for homework.
Yes,
Check
ma'am.
the first one. I have all the answers. First to 10. 1 to 10 I have. I've solved. So
Ma'am,
check the
fifth one is 3.4 moles.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, can you tell the answer?
First answer A, 14 grams. I'll leave it. I will send you. I have 10. I have sent you 10 answers.
Ma'am, you sent in the.
Yeah, I'm sending in the group.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Can we leave if you're done?
Yeah.
Ma'am, second main A question, isn't it 0.375 moles?
Second question.
Second main, first one.
3 by 4, no. 12 what they have told.
Ma'am, oxygen gas. No?
Oxygen, yes, ma'am.
Shouldn't we take? Shouldn't
Yeah.
we take O2?
Yeah, I have not seen that one. Wait.
O2, so 16 into 2.
Wait. I will check. I have not seen that. I have seen a different question. Oxygen gas, yes, it is 12 by 32. It is 3 by 8. That means it is 0.375 moles. 2A is 0.375 moles.
Ma'am, can we express the answer in kilograms? 1.26 kilograms.
Which one?
Ma'am, 1C.
Yeah, 1.26 kilogram. But better keep it in grams only.
Okay, ma'am. What is the answer for 2A?
Where's 0.375?
Okay, ma'am.
3 by 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we write it as 0.375?
Yeah, 0.375 only. 0.375 is the answer.
Ma'am, the 10th one, second one, shouldn't it be 51 by 27? 5.1, sorry.
5.1 NH3, no, it is given.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
10th ammonia they have given, not aluminium.
Yes, ma'am.
17. Ammonia 17.
Ma'am, should we solve these?
Sure.
From where to where?
I have sent those that many only.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm only from 22nd one.
12th one. From 12th.
Okay, sorry.
Short answer, long answer, and MCQ. Okay, you can take me.
Submission.
Next class.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's the homework? Can you just repeat it?
Thank you,
I've
ma'am.
sent on WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.